Hello viewer, it's an image we are going to edit there. So let's apply the different tools and features here. I will use the filters from the filter gallery. So add some details, add a darkness as well. So there is a design again. Make a smoothness here. Image greenness as well. Photocopy, we are using the details. Add a color there. We can undo that. Choose a different color so that we can get a highlighted effect there. Thank you for watching.